The Real FX Lat-Long plugin works in conjunction with the Real FX Smoke geometry. So in order to get this plugin to work, we'll drag the RFX Smoke geometry into our scene tree, and then we'll go into our server, find an image that carries an alpha channel, and drag that onto our RFX Smoke. We'll click on the image. We need to change the mapping from the default linear to vertex. Once we do that, you can see that it makes a particle system there that we can see a little bit better. We're just going to reposition this and scale this up a little bit, then go into our built-ins, into our container plugins. Within the Real FX folder, we have this Lat-Long. We're going to drag that right onto our RFX Smoke container. Once we do that, you can see the effects take change, and then we have within the properties here a radius. So we can adjust the radius of this Lat-Long setting. If we want to spread it out, we can increase the number. If we want to contain it a little bit, we can decrease the number within the radius. The default setting is 100. If we go down to the next line, we have a spawn minimum longitude and a spawn max longitude. So spawn just really refers to the birth rate or the beginning rate of our particle system. So we can decrease that or increase it. And this is just the longitude setting, so we can increase the spawn max longitude as well. Then we have a latitude setting beneath that, a spawn lat, which is set to 0 by default. And again, you can go into the negatives with that or increase it. There's a spawn max latitude as well. You can increase that, and this will increase the latitude. Further down, you have a spawn minimum altitude and a spawn max alt. So you can increase or decrease the altitude of your lat longitude plugin. Finally, you have your orientation set to horizontal by default. Also, you can change it to radius. Now you have a trim radius as well that opens up below that. So we were only adjusting the settings within this RFX Lat. If you wanted to further make adjustments, you could go into the RFX Smoke plugin and then make changes in there to affect how this particle system looks. And like the other videos I showed you, you could also go in and swap out an image to achieve a completely different look with this whole particle system as well.